In a couple of my last videos, I showed you how to use Lightcut with your DJI drone to automatically create AI edited videos for you to upload to YouTube or to Instagram or to any old social media you like. But is there another way to quickly create short videos without using Lightcut? The quick answer to that is yes, but you do need to use a Mastershot. Now, if you remember in my last video, I was seeing how quickly I could go from takeoff to uploading to Instagram. And Instagram's native format is portrait. And I started filming in landscape because I'm an idiot and I'm incompetent. I had to put a cut in the video, but that did make me think, actually, I can use that footage anyway, because I'm lazy. The reason that I filmed in landscape is because I'm over 35. I know, I could hardly believe it myself. So let's fast forward through the first part of that video and get to the point where I put the cut in, and we'll carry on from there. Now what I've done is I've left the user interface off this time, so you can see the beautiful scenery. The only problem is, there's this fat middle-aged guy that kind of gets in the way of it a lot, but just try to ignore him. I'm sorry about that.
Mastershots. Okay, start. Here we go. So, just wait for the DJI Mini 4 Pro to do its thing. So it's doing a zoom in, zoom out, it's doing a medium circle. Might struggle with this in this wind. Hello. So here we go, going around again. And this is a closer circle. Oh, we've got some spectators coming. That's good, isn't it? They're all coming to watch. What are we doing? 43% in, 44% in. So we're doing a far circle now. Whoa! No, pitch up and fly forward. Hello. And a rocket. This should be fun with this wind. Oh, there we go. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put it in vertical mode, so I'm going to have to do this all again.
Okay, coming up, I've got another fun fact, which I think you might quite like. It proved quite popular in one of my last videos, so I think I'll do it again. Before I carry on though, if you could just hit like and subscribe, it will really help the channel out and it'll tell YouTube to show this to lots of other people as well. But as a bonus to that, you may just get a lovely warm fuzzy feeling inside as well. I know I'll get one. Now you can start this process off using the DJI RC. And you can also use the RC2 and the RCN1 and the RC Pro. What? Well, I can't afford it, so I've had to do something clever with the editing. You're going to carry on looking at this because it took ages. There we go. Carry on. But for the purposes of this, we're going to use the RC2.
Now we're going to pretend that I've just got back from my flight, so we're going to switch the Mini 4 Pro on. And I'll switch my controller on as well. Okay, so in the controller we can see here that I've got a little play button just down the bottom right hand side of the screen. Hello. Yes, you've got an ND32 on. That's why it's very dark. So we press that and you can see here we've got 2 Mastershots. So I select my Mastershot file, which is this one, and you can see here there's a button that says Create Mastershots. So I'm just going to press on that. Oh, for arse's sake, this won't show if I'm recording the screen. Brilliant. Right, okay, I'm going to stop recording the screen now and I'm going to have to do this. Okay, I can't. Can you see that? So you can see here we've got our video and it's loaded up and it's already selected a video for us. So if I just press play, and actually you can scroll along here and there are a lot of different templates. I'm going to select smooth and we'll have a look at, what does that say, sea breeze. Okay, so what this is doing, this is just doing a low-res preview. But how do we get that from here to, say, your phone or something? There is an export button here, but if we press the export button, it says this. So we need to connect our phone. So I'll go onto my phone now and open the DJI Fly app. So here. And we click on Quick Transfer, which you can see down here on the bottom left. So we can see it's my drone. We click on that. So it's connecting now, and we're going to press join because it creates its own Wi-Fi network. And we click on View Album, and we can see our various videos here as well. We just need to select our video here, and we can click on Create Mastershots, and it will ask to download the file first. If you wanted to trim it, you can, to save space on your phone, but I normally just download the whole thing. So Create Mastershots, download, full download. Now that's just going to download the whole video file onto the phone so that it can use it in the DJI Fly app. Okay, so it says file downloaded to mobile device, and now we just press on the Create Mastershots button and we can see it's selected a template. I was going for it already. And we've got all of the templates that we saw on the RC in here as well. There's one that I really liked, which is Journey. And I'm going to export that. So I press export. Okay, so it says here now, file exported to mobile device. I'm going to do something very clever with the editing where it looks like it's going to just come out of the screen and come towards you. Here we go. Hi, this is Amok Time from the future here. Now listen, part of my workflow for producing these videos is to get a rough cut done, then upload them to YouTube, and that way I can check out the sound levels and also spot any little cock-ups that I've made before I upload the polished video, shall we say. I did that last night and took a look at my phone this morning and I got this. Now, this is from the music that is in the DJI Fly small video that was produced. So I'm going to have to substitute the music in that video. It kind of proves that light cut is probably the way to go, especially if you've got videos that may be monetized eventually, which I hope mine might be. Please subscribe. Back to the video.
So there we go. Another way to create a video. Okay, and here's the fun fact. Did you know that the Great Wall of China is the only man-made object that can be seen from anywhere in the world? What? Oh. Did you know that the Great Wall of China is the only man-made object that can be seen from the moon? What? That makes sense, yeah. Did you know that the Great Wall of China is the only man-made object that can be seen from space? Did you know that the Great Wall of China is the only man-made object that can be seen from space as long as the weather conditions are absolutely right and the light is correct and you use something to magnify it as well? I can see my house from space if I use a telescope. Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy flying. Goodbye.